Have you ever wondered if rosemary oil can truly regrow hair? If so, how exactly do you use it to achieve the best results? You can indeed regrow hair using rosemary oil in less than 180 days, but the method is probably not what you think. Today, I'm going to show you the correct technique to ensure the best results in the shortest possible time. Plus, stick around until the end of the video for 2 bonus tips to boost your rosemary oil results even more. So, why is rosemary oil such a hot topic for hair growth? Today, rosemary oil is renowned for its hair and skin benefits, including its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. It's used to treat acne, soothe itchy skin, and even improve overall skin health. However, its popularity has surged as a treatment for hair loss. Many believe it can increase blood circulation in the scalp, promoting hair growth. In 2015, a study compared rosemary oil to Minoxidil, the most effective hair growth stimulator currently available. The results were fascinating. Rosemary oil showed similar results in regrowing hair. But one study alone isn't enough to prove its efficacy. To achieve these desired results, there are a few critical steps you need to follow. First and foremost, choose the right rosemary oil. Rosemary oil is highly concentrated and can irritate the scalp if used incorrectly. That's why it's essential to dilute it with a carrier oil. Carrier oils like argan, coconut, or castor oil work perfectly. Here's a simple method that worked wonders for me. 1. Take 1 tablespoon of your favorite carrier oil. In my case, I use castor oil. 2. Add 30 drops of rosemary oil to the carrier oil. 3. Mix them thoroughly. If you want to skip this process, I recommend getting a pre-made rosemary oil blend. I'll leave a link in the description to the one I personally recommend. Next, let's talk about how to apply rosemary oil correctly. 1. Separate your hair into 3 or 4 sections to expose your scalp. 2. Apply 5 drops of the oil mixture to each section. 3. Gently massage your scalp for 5 minutes to ensure even distribution and to stimulate blood flow to your hair follicles. 4. Leave the oil on for at least 30 minutes, or, for best results, overnight. 5. Shampoo your hair as usual to remove the oil. Consistency is key. Use rosemary oil at least 2 to 3 times a week to see noticeable results. Now, for those 2 bonus tips to maximize your hair growth. 1. Use a derma roller before applying rosemary oil. This technique was a game changer for me. A derma roller with needles between 0.5 to 1.5 millimeters can help increase absorption and stimulate hair growth. I use a 1.5 millimeter needle length, which I'll also link below. 2. Combine treatments. While rosemary oil shows great promise, it's still undergoing more clinical trials. For a proven treatment, consider using Minoxidil alongside rosemary oil. This combination has helped many, including myself, to see significant results in just a few weeks. In conclusion, rosemary oil is a natural, affordable, and effective solution that has stood the test of time. If you're struggling with hair loss or simply want to boost your hair's health,